JEECOO Gaming Headset J-20. We're going to do an unboxing and a review. This is a gaming headset. It says professional gaming headset, high sensitive microphone, refined process appearance, the sound quality of enthusiasts. Here's the stats on the back. It says please don't wear more than 6 hours at a time to protect your hearing. Okay. Packaged in bubble wrap. Alright, here they are out of the box. Looks like they got a pretty hefty protector for the ear. It's got some head pads here on the top. Feel like they're memory foam. Got the fold out microphone. Comes with like a cloth covered wire. It's got an on and off button on the side. It's got a volume dial on the other side, and looks like it has a light that lights up when it's on. Comes with a normal plug to plug into your devices. It also includes splitters inside the box. It's going to be one for the microphone and one for the headphones. The user guide tells you what comes in the package, the overview of what the parts and pieces are. It also shows you how to set it up on a PC, a Mac, and mobile, which is like your phone, tablet, all that kind of good stuff. Your Xbox One setup, as well as a PS4 setup, and of course troubleshooting tips. Comes with a 12-month warranty and a lifetime technical support. So using the volume control, it gets pretty good high volume. It doesn't have the best bass boost on it, but it does get plenty loud. I even don't want to turn it all the way up because it gets pretty loud. So it would probably be pretty good on a gaming console because it has pretty clear, crisp sound, and it gets pretty loud, so you can hear the footsteps of people coming up on you. The padding is really soft on the ears, and it also feels nice on the head when you put it on. All in all, it works pretty good. It fits nicely, it's comfortable, and I really like it. If this was helpful, please give a big thumbs up, please favorite, please like, please share. We'll talk to you later.